for you, buddy. I think I'm able to actually get this right here. I mean, it's going to be very difficult to pull out. I'll probably be able to just push it back with a fork. But I think I could just grab it. Let's try it. Alright, let's try and see what we got. Not, I guess they put salt, so can't slide. I gotta back up. Well, no, I need to use that space. Yeah. Thank you, thank you. Quick. I'll make it quick. Slow is smooth and smooth is fast. Just remember that. Thank you, ma'am. All right. Just doing my job. All right, we're gonna pull over here for a sec, check up on the route, keep it moving. I kind of know where I'm going. Actually, really, I'm just gonna see where I'm going next. There it is. See, oh man, this one's gonna be this one. All right, I'm gonna have to pull over, back up, and check it out because this is a stop they make you earn your money's worth. Huh. All right, let's try it. First, let's pull over, and then we'll back up. I gotta swing it really wide for this. Alright, put it in reverse. Let's go. Alright, come on, I gotta go further, Okay, there we go. Always don't short yourself. That's the one thing that I've learned. Don't short yourself. Let's see if this guy stops for me. I'll definitely back it up here. done right there. Okay. I don't know how these guys get this stop, to be honest. This is like really close. Oh. Woo! Right. I don't know. I don't think I can go that way because I think it's got an overhead awning on it. But what I'm gonna do is I should be able to back out. So I've been here before, but not when it's snowing. Okay, let's get this. DFW and then 312. I know this one's easier. Okay, I guess let's just follow the tracks that I came up. Well, there's no cars in this spot, so that's good. I could straighten it out a lot faster. Great now. Dumpster straight ahead. Those buildings. You don't want to be putting pressure into the wall. Come on. This is a problem with these things. Alright, you want to come out? Let's play. You want to play? Let's play. Okay. steering wheel, man. Killing me, man. Killing me. Yeah, we have not bought Mac. We bought a couple Macs only because they're with the a lot of them have the one arms, but they have plenty of other trucks. Kenworth, Peterbilt. We're probably not going to be getting Macs. I mean, it's just ridiculous. We had a couple brand new trucks, didn't even make it on the road, going to the dealer, and that we are definitely not the only problems. Our company has not had the only problems with Mac. Trying to go, I'm just trying to avoid the frickin' side of the road. Let's see. Come on, no cars. One car. One car kind of in the way. Oh yeah, we could do some serious freaking donuts in here. Alright, just got a text. Yes, call and I will go back. Yes, ma'am. Read my mind. Okay. So you turn the wheel as you're backing out, because all we're trying to do is get away from those wires. And I'm looking for the next dumpster too. There's no wires where I'm gonna go. So I guess Mac's steering wheel, the thing they forgot to mention is it has to snow for it to turn really easily. To be consistently for every truck, because you know, God forbid you're on the road, you have to get new steering pumps every month. Okay. I took a bad angle there. Trying to aim my right side of the truck towards the nose of that car. There we go. A little more, a little more. Got it. Let's do one more turn. Yeah, good luck pushing this on the snow. That thing's heavy. This is a plumbing company, I think. So in case it starts rolling, have your hand on that joystick. Alright, but it ain't rolling now. Let's go. Yeah, we gotta go to an auto repair store. Let's put this right here. Since I'm packing, I'm not gonna be able to move the arms as fast, so I think this should be a fine position. I'm gonna get all the road here because I'm well aware of this turn. can feel the blade coming back when you lose power in the engine. All right, wires rub. Look at that, right next to the water. Jesus, such a sketchy spot for at this moment with the snow. See, I'm doing this a lot earlier usually, well before this traffic, well before 6 o'clock in the morning. But I didn't even get the call till like 5 in the snow. It took me like over an hour to get to work. All right, we're gonna start going out. Start ruining some days here. Let this white car go. Turn right. Turn the heat on. I'm like wondering why it's getting all foggy. I appreciate it. Thank you.
I'll see you guys. You come and run.
I know. I appreciate it very much. Thank you, sir. Is that good or? That's good. All right, let's get out of here. Okay, so we're gonna block the oncoming traffic, and this guy's the only guy I got. All right, I'm gonna pack it and turn in here. So that's why when you pack it, like this is where it can get a little tricky because I want to lift the arms, but I can't. It's packing. They didn't touch this at all. I could feel it right in the steering wheel. I was like looking for my vest. I'm gonna get a picture of this thing actually. Just like this with all the snow. Probably making the thumbnail. Alright, let's do it. Alright, another fun one coming up. Alright, turn on red. No cars, perfect. All right, perfect. Give myself a little space, and I always like to, give yourself enough space from the curb, and then turn into the curb a little, because if you can see, you give yourself a little bit of distance. Now, there's no traffic, but if this was a lot of traffic, that would turn a lot more into it. But no big deal right now. Oh, this one's heavy. Let's get some momentum for the snow. Got it. This stop took a minute to get because the dot right here, I thought it was another dumpster at first. Ah, don't fall. Well, that fell. Well, the plastic ones, it's no big deal at all. Here. So we're gonna make a left here, pick one up, make a right. We're gonna end up coming out of here, going that way. Now we're gonna make a right. See if this guy's gonna try to sneak by. Nope, good. Pack it one more time, just for luck. Of course, this person's got to park right in the exact spot that's just enough for me to get it, but just enough to be a pain. Okay, coming back. You can see it coming back right there. Right above me. Just some brush. I'm gonna get this one right here. Fan of this thing right here. So on Tuesday when at like 4 or 5 over on that side, but all these customers are 2 or 3 times a week. Oh, I know this one. I know this one. Okay. So we got some momentum. Let's see if we can make it up. Yeah, they got salt down, so we're good. Oh, perfect. Easy spot to U-turn. Perfecto. truck, baby. Let's go. Okay, so then we're gonna go here, and this one. Okay, it's once a week, so I'm switching it to. All right. I gotta call the office. Hello. Yeah. Put me to the back burner. What was that? Hey! Sorry, I was talking to one of my guys. I'm not gonna make this turn. Hold on, I'm gonna have to back up here. Hold on. I'm sorry, what was it? Yeah, so it should be, if it's twice a week, that's one thing. Can we put a work order in to go for a 4-yarder once a week? But if it's twice a week, then that's okay, and if they pay for it, that's different. I just want to make sure, because it says on the notes once a week, and I was not, yeah, I was like, what? Okay, all right, then they shall get their service. Okay. I'll talk to you. Alright. So I guess I gotta go back for this one. But we'll get it in a minute. And you gotta watch these enclosures, because even though they're wide, you know, just the angle you're coming from, I mean, these things are just bound to get wrecked. They gotta be very wide all the time. There we go. And the real issue is, for having like really tight enclosures, whenever it's a new driver, they're just gonna get destroyed. There's no, oh, well, you should be careful. No, they're gonna get destroyed. This thing is so big and so unmerciful. You touch something and it gets destroyed. Alright, so I gotta be careful. I don't want to slide. God forbid I slid into this road. We'll wait for some braking traffic and get out of here. Alright, here's what some back roads look like. Not that much snow today, but unplowed. These people are gonna think, oh my gosh, watch out! Alright. Thank you, sir. Alright, so speaking of gates and new drivers, this gate was fine for many months, and then we had a new driver who was trained, blah blah blah, and the gates just end up coming off and staying off. And then, you know, you get a regular driver who's good, who has experience, you know, whatever, and then he calls out other people with experience on different routes, and you get some other new guy. I mean, it's just how it goes. So gates as wide as possible, 10 feet, 11, 12, make them wide. And if they open, make it so that, you know, they open outwards, not so that the hinge is you know, making it thinner. I don't know how to explain it while I'm working. All right, you're good. Empty dumpster for you, ma'am. next couple stops. Alright, so this customer paid more to go for 2 times a week. So it's this taco place. Let's see. You know, I probably should have turned in the other way. Probably would have been easier. We always just turn this way, but. Alright, new GoPro battery. So we got 3 dumpsters, 1 cardboard. On Friday, excuse me, on Friday we got all 3. I don't know when the cardboard guy gets it. Get out. I want to double check there's no wires behind me. Huh. Interesting. Right. Yeah, okay, my bad. I'm just pulling to a stop. I got you. Yeah, pretty much. That's Sue's the one to, you know, because everyone else is working, so. Yeah, it's always that person that rubs it the wrong way. You're like, yeah, literally. Yeah, you're like, yeah, you know, free bulk, this and that. Whatever. But yeah, no worries. All good. Alright, I'm good. Alright. Jose. So they wanted to throw tires in here. These must have been in. And so one thing is a garbage man. Absolutely no tires. Dumps will refuse that very fast. Most dumps. If you have a dump that doesn't refuse it, you're lucky. Thank you. Straight back, they moved that car. Thank you, sir. Alright, let's pay attention. Not get caught up in the moment. Pride, picking garbage up. Let's go. Alright. Right, so we got this one coming up. Well, a pretty tight turn. First, when we first got it, I thought that was the parking lot where the dumpster is. Half the battle is finding out where the dumpster is on front load. Nice and easy, nice and easy. I don't know why they have a plastic container here, but and I'm gonna be honest. Oh, I don't want to get stuck there, so I'm trying to figure out where to U-turn. I think I got an idea. That's the one thing too. You always got to look out where you're gonna exit. You know, when you pull in somewhere. That bag right there. There we go. trucks, you gotta hold that brake and then hit the gear.